So, what is strategy? Strategy means different things to different people. For some, it means what is important. For some, it is a plan of action, while some feel it is a blueprint of the future. It means being able to envision the future and then be able to create an action plan to realize it. And blah blah blah. This term is so overused that we all tend to get mixed up with other concepts like strategic thinking, strategic intent, strategic vision and mission, design, alignment and execution, and an ever evolving terminology that hasn't really been able to answer a simple question as to what is strategy. And if it has, most people have not been able to get it. So let's try it here. But first, the context. The concept of strategy is an ancient one having military origins and was used during the times of distress and wars, and has grown up to be used tremendously in business environment. In about 500 BC, the Greeks laid a lot of emphasis on leadership, and thus strategy basically is made up of two words, stratus and agent. Around the same time, an army general, Sun Tzu, wrote about this subject independently and mentioned how a capable, clever, and brilliant leadership, who the forces rely on, defines the core of strategy. These strategies in the military context are still used in contemporary management and read extensively in the form of the book The Art of War. Oops, I was trying to simplify it. Okay, so to be able to define strategy, one must understand that operational effectiveness, though important, is not strategy. Though some tools such as total quality management, benchmarking, outsourcing, re-engineering result in operational effectiveness, they are not enough to create sustainable profitability. But that doesn't mean strategy belongs to only commercial organizations. Government sector has actually some vibrant and ambitious strategies that can be more impactful. So one size doesn't fit all. Strategy is about choosing different set of activities that create a unique value for the customers. It is also about choosing trade-offs or giving value to one activity over another. For example, an airline company can serve meals or reduce turnaround time at the gate, but not both. It is about prioritizing, choosing what to do and choosing what not to do. To understand strategy, remember, on a fundamental level, it means doing what others are doing but in a cost-effective manner, or doing what no one else is doing. Well, no definition should be considered a final word, but we can try to remember the essence. Doing something new, or building on what one is doing already, or creating opportunities through new and emerging markets. To sum it up, strategy is not about doing business, but about changing business. It is a combination of steps one takes to achieve strategic objectives and is not business as usual. It is something that the leadership wants to focus on for the employees to execute. Doesn't matter short term or long term, complex or simple, worldwide or localized. So next time, if someone in your workplace asks you what is strategy, say it is about making choices to change some things around here. So takeaway for today, everything is not strategy. And remember, when it comes to strategy, less is more.